Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can't convert int object to str implicitly. This error occurs when you try to concatenate or join an integer with a string without converting the integer to a string explicitly. For example, consider the following code. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. Here, the integer age is being concatenated with the string my age is, resulting in a type error because Python cannot convert an integer to a string implicitly. To fix this, you need to convert the integer to a string using the str function before concatenating or joining it with a string. Here's the corrected code. Let's run this code. Here is the results. In this case, the value of age is interpolated directly into the string using curly braces, and prefixed with the F character to indicate that it's a formatted string literal.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.